Do you want to use a different internet browser? Let's install Google Chrome together, click by click. First, you're going to go to default Microsoft Edge browser. In the top search bar, you're going to type Google Chrome download. What you're looking for is the google.com result. Click on that link. That will take you to Google Chrome's download page. Just hit the download Chrome button. And up in the top right, your download will start. Once it is complete, click Open File. You can click the Yes button on this. And the install will start. It'll download. It will take approximately 2 to 5 minutes, so I'll be right back whenever it's complete. All right, the installation is complete. The window will disappear. We can go ahead and close out of Edge. And Google Chrome will automatically open after. So you have two options. You can either sign in with your Google account, and that'll keep track of your history, your passwords, or if you do not want to sign in, just want to use the browser, you can hit Don't Sign In. If you would like to use Chrome by default, we can go ahead and set it as that. So click the Set as Default button, and your settings menu will pop up. And at the top here, it says Make Google Chrome your default browser. You can click Set Default. We can go ahead and close this window. Down here in the bottom right, you may have a pop-up that says, would you like to pin Google Chrome to your taskbar? That's this bar down here. It'll pin it down to here. We can hit the Yes button. And that's it. Google Chrome is now installed. If you have any questions or need any additional help, leave a comment below and I will answer them as easily as I can. Thank you for watching.